Hello everyone. So before people go into the comment section and say, what do you know about Avatar and who the hell are you to talk about Avatar? Let me just say, I'm an Avatar fan from 2018. Like my journey has been really weird. First, I watched Legend of Korra season 2, which was airing in the channel one of the cartoon channel that was available on my TV. Then I went back and watched ATLA. Then I watched The Legend of Korra again. So the topic I wanted to cover in this video is favoritism in Avatar fandom. So I'm just gonna drop the definition of favoritism given by Google on the screen. In Avatar fandom, there is a lot of favoritism. For example, let's take Katara versus Amon. We all know that Amon is just gonna win using his bloodbending, but people pretend that Katara is gonna just smack Amon or just destroy Amon, but that isn't the case and everyone knows about it. And if a person says that no, Amon is gonna win and Katara is gonna lose, these people become so fucking toxic and so abusive that they start insulting this guy till he either deletes the comment or apologizes to them. And this favoritism is a big bad thing for new fans, like the fans who just enter the Avatar fandom. Like these people actually and literally force other people to like their favorite characters. And these people become so toxic just to prove that their favorite character is the strongest, while in reality, it's not. And these kind of people were one of the main reasons that I had to delete my old Instagram account and start a new one. And they will also be so toxic towards a creator when a creator particularly says that this is my favorite character. These guys go into the comment section and say, no, how could you, this should be your favorite character and that's all, and so fucking toxically keep very very bad things in the comment section that the creator has to finally delete that post. I mean, like, to be honest, these guys are just like Raylos. And yeah, there's no particular thing or no particular shit that your favorite character has to be the strongest. And you have to go to any lengths to prove it. And these kind of people are the main reason why I stopped posting about Avatar on my Instagram on my old account and just deleted it and started a new one. And I'm not even posting that much about Avatar on the new one too. And these kind of people are the main reason why most people who are new to the fandom either leave or don't have any fun in the fandom. At the end, I just wanted to say that your favorite character need not always have to be the strongest, or you have to not prove so fucking hard that your favorite character is the strongest. People have their own choice, their own free will to choose their favorite characters, and it's their choice. You might propagate that this is my favorite character. It's okay, it's understandable, but you have to not force it on other people. The main reason I made this video is just that I don't want people to fight over these kind of things, like who their favorite character is the strongest or character versus character, for no fucking reason. That's all. Just have fun, uh, talk with other people who you like, and just have fun in the fandom. You can have a lot of fun with other fans if you're not being so toxic and you're just neutral about other characters and just say that this is my favorite character and that's all. At the end of this video, I just wanted to suggest to Avatar fans that please don't be toxic about a thing. Just take it and leave it. Like if a guy says this is my favorite character, you don't have to force a guy to make that your favorite character should be his. Just say okay, it's fine, and just leave. It's over, and just have fun with other fans in the fandom. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.